Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We have beans up 4 cents, corn's up 2, wheat's anywhere from 6 cents higher to 8 cents higher. Stock market's a little bit higher after yesterday's sharp sell-off on disappointing earnings from Goldman Sachs. The dollar's lower, crude's higher, and most commodities are higher. Goldman Sachs came out and said that they thought in 2023 commodities would outperform the equity markets. We also note that there are some shower activity in the north and west part of Argentina. They're getting about a half inch of rain. Obviously more is needed. There is in the maps a couple of more rain events that could go across Argentina, which could help crops there. There's some price premium being put in soybeans and corn because of already potential losses in the Argentina corn and soybean crops. In Brazil, weather looks to be a little drier for the central and northern areas that will help harvest there. Southern Brazil might miss out on these rain events. Here in the United States, we've got quite a bit of snow and rain moving across the Midwest. Could help Nebraska, maybe parts of Colorado, eastern Kansas. The follow through in the markets suggests that Kansas could get some more precip over the next 10 days. The rains across the Delta and eastern Midwest is certainly replenishing soils for the upcoming crop season. Soybean market, I think, also seeing kind of a breakout of new highs in beans and meal. Corn also trading above resistance, and wheat beginning to test the first level of resistance. I think some of the cash markets, we saw better than expected bean export numbers yesterday. The market is still concerned about demand, especially to China, Brazil. Soybean prices are cheaper than U.S. Over in the corn, we're still waiting for new corn demand because Brazil's out of the market, but Ukraine is offering corn for exports at $1 below U.S. And in the wheat market, Russia continues to have a discount in world wheat prices and continues to do most of the world wheat business. I think that the market is thinking that we might struggle above this 1550 area in the March. We'll continue to see new crop beans dropping below the $14 level. And we also, in the corn, just kind of wondering if we can trade much above the 690 area in the March or December above $6, given the fact that long term demand might be down and supply might be up. It is interesting how the fact that winter wheat acres reported by the USDA was higher than expected, and some feel that curtail down some of the corn acres that people thought might be increasing. At our meeting, there was talk about U.S. acres peaking and not a lot of additional acres to go into the grains. Also globally, heat inflation may limit the upside in yields for a while, which could make global supply tight versus demand, but still watching economic growth slow, and we'll see if that offsets the potential that supply may not be as big next year as expected.